It's really nice to see your practice and all. Now I think you're going to perform. So it was really good ambience, and I think your dance is going to start now. How do you feel, madam?
It's really such a beautiful opportunity by the temple as well as by the Narumugai Natyalaya for performing, especially during the Adi month. I know not all are blessed to be in this art form. Not all are blessed to continue this art form. I think myself and my kids are really very much blessed. That's the reason we are continuing it and we are able to take it up to the next level. Every time it's always a kind of hit mode, and they also equally do it so beautifully. His grace is always there, and that is the reason we are able to come up to this stage, and they are able to practice having in different profession and whatever it is, they're able to consistently take it up in a right way. So I think I should thank first him for doing everything, and thank you so much that you have come here and you are trying to cover up this particular thing. Any practice cannot be just done in 1 day, 2 days or something. So it is always a hard work and the consistency which they have to maintain, and the number of years of practice only will make them come up to this stage and perform. So this was already planned before 1 month, I think so, and every Saturdays we had the rehearsals, because each and every one are in a different profession. She is working, she's doing her BTech, she's doing her engineering, she is also working, she has completed her B, she is also doing her BTech, engineering, biomedical engineering. So everyone, of course, she's from Anna University doing her BArch. So everyone are into different profession. Of course, as you know, I'm also into a different thing. So every Saturday, Sundays, we try to get along with each other. So when I give a kind of template, they practice and they come and then they execute. I think rather than asking me, it would be right if you ask the students on how they are basically practicing with respect to the group choreography or whatever it is, that because they are the ones who are putting all the hard work, and I think all the due credits goes only to these kids.
शम्भो स्वयम्भो शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो
I think Treya can open up and speak.
Thank you so much for the opportunity. So, my name is Treya and I've been learning dance from her for the past 10 to 12 years. So, our schedules are it's a bit difficult to coordinate among all of us because of our differing schedules in class hours and all. So, there is a usual standard choreography which already Akka has done, and she gives us the freedom for all of us to modify it according to the group or so. So, some of the instances are so challenging yet refreshing because we learn the creativity to learn and choreograph ourselves. So it was a memorable experience. So we actually thank our guru for giving us the opportunity.
Namah Shivaya, 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 Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya. 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 चांदेय गौरार्थ शरीरकाय कर्पूर गौरार्थ शरीरकाय चांदेय गौरार्थ शरीरकाय कर्पूर गौरार्थ शरीरकाय गंभीरकाय जटाधराय गंभीरकाय जटाधराय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya. Niye pune ambane, niye pune ambane, niye pune tenmadore vaal meera doachani. Then
This is a second opportunity to see your dance, and now it's in a new place, the temple. So it was really fine seeing your kids doing the performance.
So, yeah, such a divine opportunity. Last time it was the Salanga Bujai, which was a basic kind of tempo, I would say. These are whoever performed were the senior kids who have finished their Arangetram, who have finished their diploma, and they are having this also a part of their career as well. So, I am very proud of it. And they all danced so beautifully. You have seen that as well. They started with the Ganapati song. Following with Ardhanarishwara Stuti, then with Bo Shambhu and Devi Niyatunai. They tried covering all aspects of this particular temple. Shiva Anubhavam, its total surrender and the experience of Lord Shiva. It came out so beautifully and heartfully as well. So again, thanks to him, that I should really say. And
So these type of things, how many you're done only in Chennai or outside also, madam?
Here alone they have been performed because these are my senior kids. They have performed in different places, Tiruporur, Batu Caves, Malaysia, in Nanganallur also. So they have been constantly performing in most of the places. I can put a very big list and I can send it to you.
திருமதி டாக்டர் நித்ய கல்யாணி அவர்களுக்கு ஒரு சிறிய அன்பளிப்பு.
Thank you so much. And of course, here only we are trying to do it currently in Chennai. We are planning to explore to go to different places as well.
So next time when you plan, I'll also be part of your team, madam. Really, it'll be nice to cover your thing. I think regularly we can do something and do towards dance a wonderful viewers for them to see also. So thank you for this wonderful opportunity, madam.
Thank you so much for each and every time coming patiently and trying to cover up the event. And it's really very nice to have you and encouraging basically these kind of artists. It's a very big thanks from my side. Thanks for him to get me introduced to you.
So God bless everyone, and I got introduced to madam by my one more madam, Kavita madam. She is also a gem of a person. So many gems are there, and hidden gems are there. So I'll try to make their interviews one by one. Thank you, viewers.